Hi guys, it's Madison Sarah and I'm here at Beauty Bay today and I'm going to be showing you how to quickly contour your face. So I'm starting off with the Sosu contour stick and I find it so easy to kind of suck in your cheekbones, and that's where you'll find where to put the contour. So I'm just going to start by sucking them in and just drawing into the hollows of the cheekbones. I find it much easier to draw it with X's as well, because it's so much easier to blend out. You see? Now I'm just going to go ahead and do the other cheek. So you should be looking kind of crazy right now. Then I'm going to go ahead with my beauty blender and start to blend that out, kind of from the ear down. So then I'm going to go in with a lighter shade and pop this on the tops of the cheekbones, just like that, above where you've put the cream contour. And then again, using the beauty blender, I'm just going to blend that out. Just kind of gives a really nice highlighted, snatched cheekbone. To contour the forehead, I'm going to go in using the same contour stick and again just draw X's onto the temples. And then taking that beauty blender, I'm just going to start to blend that into the hairline. And taking that lighter shade, I'm just going to draw one big X. Okay, so last but not least, I'm going to go ahead and contour my nose. So I find it easier to kind of dot the product down the nose. And then taking the beauty blender and just blend that out. I kind of pinch it to keep it quite small so it doesn't disperse the product too much. Back in with the lighter shade, that's just going to go down the centre and again blend that out. Snatched. So this is the finished contoured look. I love this method. I find it so quick and easy and it looks really natural on the skin. I'm obsessed. So that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a massive thumbs up, and all of the products I've used will be listed in the description box. If you're not already, please make sure to subscribe to Beauty Bay's YouTube channel and I will see you in the next one.